Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use the new Steam library and create automatic collections. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Library in the top menu bar to view your games. Look for the icon with four squares. This represents your collections. Click it to access your game collections. Click Create New Collection and choose a name that is easy to remember, like favorite RPGs or games to finish. To enable automatic sorting, select Dynamic. You can filter by game state, genre, or store tags to organize your collection. Once your filters are set, click Save to apply the changes. You can also customize your library homepage by adding shelves that highlight your favorite collections. If you want to include a specific game that does not meet the filter criteria, you can manually drag and drop it into the collection. And that is it. You have just organized your Steam library using automatic collections. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.